In this video, I'll show you how to create this awesome burn flash transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a fiery flash between your clips, making one scene feel like it burns into the next. It looks dramatic, intense, and works great for action edits, music videos, sports highlights, and cinematic videos. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they are touching at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for Burn Chroma. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and go to Effect Controls. Here you'll find multiple settings to customize the look. Intensity controls how strong the burn flash appears, increase it for a more dramatic effect. Spread controls how much of the frame gets covered by the effect. Softness adjusts the burn edges. Higher values make it smoother, while lower values create sharper edges. You can also use colorize outgoing and colorize incoming to change the burn colors for both clips. Next, chromatic aberration adds color separation around the edges, giving the transition a more cinematic look, and dissolve time controls how fast one clip blends into the next. If you want a quick aggressive flash, keep the transition short. If you want a slower cinematic burn flash, increase the duration slightly, preview the effect and fine-tune the settings based on your edit. For even better results, try syncing the burn flash with a beat drop or impact sound. And that's it. That's how you create a burn flash transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.